Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How to change browser from Internet Explorer to Google Chrome. So, let's get started. Open the Start menu and go to Settings on your computer. In Settings, click on Apps to access installed applications. Navigate to Default Apps section. Click on Choose Default Apps to change your browser. Select Google Chrome as your default web browser. Scroll down and open Choose Default Apps by Protocol. Find HTTP and HTTPS protocols used for most web links. Set both HTTP and HTTPS to Google Chrome. After setup, all links will automatically open in Chrome. Process complete. Default browser successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.